Hey guys, I'm not down the hill yet, but Panda decided to get in the ditch. And look at this. Panda, what am I going to do with you? Huh? What am I going to do with you, Tabby? Well, see when I get down there. Okay guys, I'm down the hill, and that is it for this video. And I really hope you like this video. Like and subscribe for cat love. Cats. Subscribe, guys. Like and comment down below. And I really hope you like this video. And be one of my blog fans. There was a nose in the video. Noses. Look at that nose. Anyway, anywho. Well, I scared Teddy. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. And that is it for this video. And like I said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Peace out. Wait, I can't. Hold on. Very weird cat. But this is what cats do. Hi. Sorry, I was singing a song. See you guys next time. Bye. Guys, what is wrong with our cats? What are you doing on the car? You're a very weird cat. Indeed. Bye. Tabby, get up here. I'm filming. Get up. Sorry, get up there. I mean, get down here, Missy. Oh my God. What in the world is this cat doing? Panda, no, not you too. Oh my goodness. Hold on, let me get down here. This is what you have to do, apparently. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get snake bit because you guys. Tabby, get up here, and Panda, I can see you too. You're not camouflaged. Get down here. Get down here, Missy. Oh goodness, I just gotta let him wander. Oh God. Tabby, look at me. Get down here. Panda. Get down here. You get down here now. Oh, he's off. Oh, God. Tabby, don't you follow. What am I going to do with these cats? What am I going to do? See you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace out.